Alright, what do we need to do? Let's go into the old speech chat. Speech and chatten. Open speech and chatten. Where is the chat? There we go. Okay, and YouTube. Skip down. Alright, let's pop out another chat. Yep, chat out. That guy's going. Good, good, good. Pop open a little Scorpion button. Okay, so these two numbers here, which I probably shouldn't be revealing on stream, but whatever. I need to open up and find. There we go. I need to open up and find the actual number for iOS. So that'll be in my Unity panel. Services, ads. Okay. Animal memory AR. Go to ads. Now in my dashboard there, under settings, I believe. There we go. So on the Apple App Store, I need to set this to that. And now we need to create a version of it for the Apple App Store. So I'm going to go to my developer.apple.com. A lot of this, excuse me, I'm going to be doing off screen, just chatting through it because oh, you don't need to see that. All right, so certificates, identifiers, and profiles. Oh, you son of a... Okay, so Apple has updated their privacy policy or some other such policy, which means that I cannot actually do an iOS version right now. So, instead, we're going to continue to work on the Android version. There's one other thing I wanted to add. For those of you who are interested... All right. What am I looking for? Oh, man. Oh, there. Okay. Anyway. That's my focus right now. Worker. Alright, so what am I looking up? Not this thing. Not that thing. Oh, there's a part of my brain that is trying to grab on to anything right now. And it ain't happening. Okay, so one thing that I do want is I want the box to be able to cast shadows. So let me just see. It does these already cast shadows. And they receive shadows for the box and the lid. That's good. Does this directional cast shadows? Shadow type. Let's go to hard shadows. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a let's create a 3 object that's just a quad. And we're going to create an empty object that is a holder. I'm going to set that to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Whoa. Good. And then we're going to drag the quad underneath of it. And we're going to rotate that quad back. Wah, wah, wah. There we go. So that's going to be 90 degrees. Okay, now, in this case, I think there's a way to... Now, let me set this to 0, 0, 0 as well. Good. Cast shadows off. There we go. So if you switch it to shadows only, then what you get is... let's turn this matchbox on. And we're going to set this thing to like 10, 10, 10. Good. So that'll give us a plane for shadows to fall upon. So this is shaded. Where's our matchbox right now? It's right there. Environmental light, that's fine. Directional light. Mode intensity 0.7. Hard shadows. Okay, so I need to check my lighting settings as well. So we don't need real-time global illumination. Okay, so what I'm going to do is we're going to put that into prefabs. And then on our controller, which I'm going to move up to the top here because I hate my controllers being mixed in with everything else. We're going to go into that controller. We're going to add a holder prefab. Come on, Visual Studio. Click, click, click. Let me in. Let me in. Highlight. Do something. There we go. Okay, so we want up here OpenBox audio. We don't want it in audio. There we go, Matchbox. So we're going to do public game object, and we're going to call this holder prefab. So in this case, we've got a new game object. So what we're going to do instead of that is box holder is going to be instantiate game object holder prefab. Good. Now let's see where else we use that box holder. Oh, we've got another initialization in here. So where am I actually setting the... Okay, so when I click on a tap, so let's just see here. I'm trying to figure out where this holder is being placed. Because it seems like I'm placing only the boxes and not the holder, which is not good. Okay, so handle box placement. So all of this somehow got up there, and I think that happened when I was screwing around with my stuff, because that should actually be right here. Yeah. Because when you spawn the matchboxes, it should always put them in that box position and location. That shouldn't be happening in Awake, and I must have screwed something up. Hopefully that fixes it. Okay, so you'll have to forgive my grimy desk. Or you won't. I mean, you can judge me for it. That's fine too. So let's go into our prefabs. We've got the holder. Let's just apply that and then tank it. And for the box, we've got... Yeah, let's let it receive shadows. On. And those aren't static, that's good. Good. Okay, so I'm gonna close this off. And then we'll hide it for now. And we will find the cord that should be in my pocket. Pocket cord. Okay. Blah 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 blah. Sorry, got a quick message from a coworker. Oy, 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 oy. If it isn't one thing, it's a dozen others. Alright. Let's drag this over here. Ha-da-da, ha-pa-pa. I think my AR Core instant preview is broken. I don't know when that happened or how that happened, but checking to see if there's anything running that might be interfering with this. It doesn't look like it. Alright. Clear off all the junk from my phone. Now, on here, there was, okay, if Unity Editor Instant Preview Input. Good. Come on, you can do it, machine. AR Core Instant Preview, not connected to Editor. Why? Why? Okay, apparently this is a known issue. Alright, so what is it, my E drive? Let's go to my Android folder, and then what is it? CSDK, then we're going to go to platform tools, and then we're going to go ADB kill server, okay, and ADB start server. Let's see if that works. Nope. Oh, DevTools, why do you hate me? Unity forums. Okay, so there is a troubleshooting section. Okay, so it says edit project settings. AR Core, is there an AR Core here? Oh, way down at the bottom. Okay. Cloud Services API key, AR Core required, instant preview enabled. Oh, you know what I bet it is? So I think I need to go to an unsigned debug build. Let's just see if that has any impact on it. Nope. Okay. Edit project settings, AR core. Okay, so I'm going to turn off the AR core first. Okay. Ran it once. Seems good. Now we're going to go back and we're going to turn it back on and see if it just needed a... Oh, the process of debugging something that is not working in the engine as opposed to in code. Still not connected to editor. Okay. Phone is unlocked with developer options and debugging enabled. Yes. Unity's build settings, your build platform, and you have player settings enabled for AR core. So we're going to go back into our player settings. Use existing browse key store. Okay. Unsigned debug. Good. What was the other thing it wanted me to check? Okay, and then let's check the console. Instant Preview 1.08. So that seems to want to work. Oh, still not working. This was just working the other day before I went to release. Okay, under XR settings, AR core supported. Perfect. Huh. Gotta tell ya, I'm a little confused about this. Why it would not want to... I was sort of counting on this. Okay, I'm going to try uninstalling AR Core Instant Preview and reinstalling it. And I'm going to try uninstalling the official version of my Animal Memory because I'm wondering if it's having problems that way for some reason. Alright, so I hit play. Okay. So now it should be installing the AR Core app automatically on my phone. You can do it. Come on. There we go. It just started up. Allow. And go. And go. Okay, next trick in my book. In my debugging book. switch the USB port to a different port. Close ARCore Instant Preview. Shut this down. Let's try it restarting again. Hoi, hoi, hoi. Nope. Failed to install Instant Preview app. Success! That's a great... Sorry, I'm going to screenshot that. First, I'm going to blow it up a bit. Let's blow it up even more. Alright. That is how my day is going. Alright, I am tweeting that stuff out because that is my progress today. Okay, so bizarre. Alright, so if I clear that out, does it give me that every time? No, it's not quite. I'm putting emojis in this thing because this is... All right. This is really not going my way this morning. I don't get it. I'm really feeling a little bit frustrated here. All I get is that. Not connected to editor. I wonder if I'm on the beta program. And it's... So let me go into my settings on my phone. I wonder if there was an update to my phone that's... I don't see anything in there. It says I'm on Android 8, which is fine. I'm gonna restart my phone. Wonder if I should also restart my computer. I really feel like I'd like to be building something today, but we may have to switch to something else. Alright. Phone has rebooted. Let's try this again. Just stuck it, not connected to editor again. Well, I think I don't know what to do. I don't think anyone's really watching though, so I think I'm going to call it for today. And I'll work on something else and maybe occasionally Google this issue. Alright. Later, y'all.